Tropical Depression 4 becomes the fourth named storm of the 2013 Atlantic hurricane season late Wednesday morning. And we're tracking now Tropical Storm Dorian moving from the eastern Atlantic into the central Atlantic. Satellite data really showed a formidable storm, a very healthy system this morning. If you notice on this loop, and by the way, we're now using the central Atlantic satellite. That's why you see the cutoff there on the right side of your screen. But late this morning, you could see the circulation easily, even what looked like possibly an eye trying to form briefly. We have a formidable tropical storm on our hands. Winds of 50 miles per hour as of 11 a.m. Moving to the west-northwest at 21. Pressure down to 1,002. There'll be a new update at 5 p.m. on this Wednesday afternoon. Official forecast track from the Hurricane Center brings it quickly to the west-northwest with some slow and forward speed expected as it approaches the Leeward Islands Sunday into Monday. And there's high confidence on this forecast track because look at the model plots here, the potential storm tracks. I've left that cone of uncertainty from the Hurricane Center on the screen, and you can see most of these lines in agreement with that official forecast track to the west and northwest. Once again, the earliest it would approach any land areas would probably be Sunday night or Monday. But before that happens, it's a big question mark whether or not Dorian can survive a couple of hurdles in the central Atlantic. The first roadblock is this pocket of dry air we see on the water vapor loop. There's Dorian. How strong can this storm system get? Because the stronger Dorian gets, the more likely it would be able to punch through some of this drier air over the next 24 to 48 hours. Notice on the moisture projection here on Future Track, you can see that brown color trying to get ingested into the storm, at least for the next couple of days. But as we move into the Saturday, Sunday time frame, you can see that area brown diminishing and a lot more green showing up closer to the Caribbean. So there will be more moisture to work with once it crosses the central Atlantic. Another hurdle, wind shear. Those colors of yellow, orange, and red, those are very fast winds aloft that could rip the system apart as it moves to the central Atlantic. Notice by Sunday and Monday, the wind shear gets a little further away from the projected path. It's very obvious to see here that if Dorian maintains a more southern route, the wind shear will be less of an influence. One more hurdle is this pocket of cool air over the central Atlantic. Water temperatures that are less than 26 Celsius for a few hundred miles of Dorian's path. If it can survive that, water temperatures much more favorable in the western Atlantic. Here's the bottom line. It's a formidable tropical storm now, and it could strengthen a bit today, but it has several hurdles to jump over the central Atlantic through Saturday. No immediate threat to the U.S., but it will be approaching the Leeward Islands on Monday. And of course, we will keep you updated right here with the very latest.